chicken pieces gliding past you on a fully automated line, fried to the exact same crispy perfection every single time. Fresh chicken is dusted with KFC's signature seasoned flour by machines that never miss a spot. This KFC factory, an ultra-high-tech plant where automation, not luck, guarantees that iconic crunch. Pressure fryers lock in juiciness and crunch, run by algorithms and watched by expert technicians.
Even the oil is continuously filtered and analyzed, kept cleaner than most home kitchens to protect flavor and food safety.
It's like a tech campus, but inside, it's a precision-engineered chicken factory on a massive scale.
Room, engineers watch every line in real time, from fryer temperatures to ingredient flow.
It all starts here. Temperature can't control deliveries of freshly chilled chicken arrive under strict tracking and scanning. Each batch is tagged, logged, and verified, traceable from this dock to the restaurant fryer.
Quality teams check weight, appearance, and temperature long before any piece reaches the production line.
First, the chicken is stabilized in precision chill tunnels, holding it at the perfect temperature for safe processing.
Enclosed automated systems handle the trimming and portioning, keeping blades away from people and contamination away from the product.
Enters massive tumblers, where a carefully controlled marinade begins building KFC's signature tenderness. In a separate mixing room, pumps and sensors mix the marinade to the exact gram. No guessing, no shortcuts. Injection stations ensure every bite is seasoned from the inside out, delivering consistent juiciness. After marination, the chicken rests in controlled cold rooms, allowing flavors to penetrate evenly. Software tracks dwell times and temperatures to meet strict recipes and food safety standards every hour.
These random samples are checked for with uniform seasoning and moisture.
On another level of the plant, massive silos hold flour and KFC's proprietary blend of herbs and spices. Automated dosing systems measure every gram of seasoning, forming the base of that familiar KFC coating. Industrial mixers combine flour and spices in sealed chambers, preventing dust and keeping the mix ultra clean.
Before use, the seasoned flour is tested like a lab sample for consistency in texture and moisture.
Pre-dusting gives the chicken a first layer of coating, managed by sensors that control thickness.
Rotating breading drums then wrap each piece with a tight, even layer. No clumps, no bare layers.
Computer vision scans every piece, checking size, shape, and coating coverage in milliseconds.
Pieces that don't meet the standard are automatically removed and reworked instead of wasted. Robotic loaders gently lower baskets into enclosed fryers, keeping workers away from hot oil.
Software constantly monitors oil quality, temperature curves, and cooking curves for every batch.
Each fryer is precisely timed and temperature controlled to replicate KFC's cooking profile.
The fryers open and reveal perfectly fried chicken, crispy, golden, and uniform.
Draining conveyors remove excess oil while preserving that delicate, crunchy coating.
Vision systems check color and crispness, comparing every piece to an ideal standard image.
In dedicated test booths, sample pieces are probed and measured to confirm they're safely and evenly cooked.
Flash cooling systems bring the temperature down quickly, locking in quality and ensuring safe handling.
Once cooled, chicken enters an automated packaging hall that looks closer to a tech lab than a kitchen. Machines weigh, portion, and seal each pack with exact counts and fully traceable labels.
Machines weigh, portion, and seal each pack with exact counts and fully traceable labels.
Every carton passes through metal detection and final weight checks before it can leave the line.
From packaging, products move into towering cold stores where automated shuttles handle every pallet.
Even the trailers are monitored, with live temperature feeds sent back to the factory control room.
Truck after truck fans out across the country, feeding thousands of KFC kitchens every day.
That familiar golden crunch, engineered for consistency but still cooked with real chicken and real care.
This is the unseen world behind America's largest KFC factory, where fresh chicken becomes crispy perfection at industrial scale.